Hey there! Let's explore how to set up the coupon payment method option for affiliates in Afflr. Once you've logged into your Shopify admin dashboard, open the Afflr Affiliate Marketing application. Now you're at the Afflr Affiliate Marketing Applications dashboard. Head over to the Settings section located at the top of the page. Once there, look for the Payment section on the left side and select it. In the Payment section, you'll see various types of payments. Choose the Coupon section where you can offer store coupons to affiliates as rewards for their performance. Toggle the button next to it to enable the feature. After enabling it, you'll need to establish a minimum payout threshold. Affiliates or referral partners are eligible for payout only after reaching this minimum threshold amount. You have two options: either inherit from global settings or set a specific threshold for this payment method. If choosing a specific threshold, enter a minimum payout threshold greater than 0, for example 10. You can also enable automatic conversion to coupon upon request by toggling this feature on. Additionally, set the coupon validity in days, ensuring it's more than 1 day. Use the Mail Instruction section to embed instructions for the Notify When Payout is Processed template. Customize your message here in the message box as needed. Under the Mail Instruction section, embed your instructions directly within the email template layout using the Mail Instruction shortcode. Once everything is set, click the Save button. Your coupon settings to reward affiliates with store coupons for their performance is now enabled. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.